welcome to Twisted on Roblox. I'm your host, Sunblast. We got a special guest here. We got Cam. You won't be able to hear him unless... Never say that again.
So I was going for Adel hunting. This is gonna be the best day of my life.
Alright, that's what Cam has to say. Let's hope you guys can hear him. Alright. We got a somewhat storm going right now. Alright, Cam. Alright, in today's episode, everyone, our goal is to try and get my boy Cam mess with that. Come to me immediately, if you can. This one. No, not that one. Here. See what I can get.
Tell me one, boss man.
Probably wouldn't be best right now. Do it when it's peak. Because we're gonna need the rockets to. We need a good angle. We need a good angle at the tornado. Just tornado. Understood. It's a yellow. Yeah, I know you're on mobile. I'm surprised. All right, get ready. Rain wrapped. It'll be hard to tell. Get ready. Aim. Fire. Fire. You're angling it. Just fire it.
Heavy rain.
Put your probes down. We're getting intercept. Oh god. You despawn your vehicle. Stand. Cam, get it. Get in. You guys are enough to escape now. Yeah, this is a tornado.
Yeah, won't let me fire the rocket.
Cam.
Yeah?
Well, look on radar. Do you see something? There's a rotation going on right now. Look, do you see a tail on the radar? Pick up your probes. I'm gonna try and fire that thing. I'm gonna try and fire. Turn it. Wait, turn it. Good. Fire. Or is it not letting you? Oh my god, come on! It's at an angle. It's at an angle I can't. Oh wait. Oh my god, this is so weird. Get back! Damn. On your left.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Medina County in north central Keysota.
Don't you see that on our left?
County in north central Keysota.
You see it? Cam, do you not see it?
Moving north at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hazleton, Welch Valley, Huntley.
Should have locked it.
The place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench.
Yeah, it's the lock button.
If no basement.
Okay, we got... Wait. Nope. Our tornado. I can tell, our tornado. It's lifting.
Evacuate and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Heavy rainfall may
Go.
making it extremely
We got two tornadoes in rotation right now.
You'll hear the tornado. Take cover.
I swear, those, for some reason the probes just now start firing, I swear. Who put that stop sign there? It's barely on the ground and it's green. There's dust. Horsies. Oh, I should keep going. It's not its full potential yet.
Not quite off the ground.
Yeah, but we got a somewhat intercept. Don't even try launching. It's 20. Ready? 40? 50? Good. Oh, 50. 60? 70? Just chilling at 70. Cause we're back in 50s, get in. Wait, hold up, I'm trying to fire him. Angle him up. Uh-oh. Is it angle or rotate for it to go up? No, not that. Okay. Let's see if that does something. Yeah, good. Just stay in the press and just see. Tell me what's going on. Oh, I see the problem. Tornado. Okay. Isn't it a dead zone? The Rockets made something. Let's see, money made. The Rockets made us $9. Are you not part of my convoy? Should be in my, you're still in my convoy. I guess. Made you a couple bucks. Can I get this thing out of my face? TDS, yellow. I'll tell you what to do when we get closer. That would be nice. Would have been nice to fire him now, but well, guess he ain't working on mobile. Oh, you see that? Oh, there goes cars. I may want to get ready to deploy. It's strong. Oh, some of those. Whatever you need to not get out. Don't get out. Oh God. Oh God. This town's gonna get hit. This little town's gonna get hit. Cam, I saw a car going in circles. I don't think it's okay. Huh? Yeah, another storm going. Okay, don't get out. We got 120. Cam? I see a couple. There's a tornado tamer. It ain't a tamer anymore. Yeah, because we're part of a convoy. I'm getting you money. I'm in the tornado. Oh my God. Old school. Damn, these winds can kill you. Don't. Cam, these winds can kill you. Oh my, there's a house in the air. I'm going in. Tell my mother I love her. Holy, I'm about to hit my some debris. I'm running out. Where? It's not fully condensed. What? It's not fully condensed. Oh, and it. Was that you? I just saw a car going. Okay, no, you're way behind. Cam, careful. There's the mod. The name's how. Well, I am barely in it, and I'm getting in the 80s, so be careful. 150 feet to the timer. Is that you? Oh, that's what he means by OG Tamer. I want to see you fly so bad. Yeah, get to the highway, I dare you. You're in the wind field. You're about to drive right through it now. Yeah, this 20 is significantly weakened. Oh. Well, now when... Oh, I can't see anything. Yeah. Jeez. It's a weak tornado. Yeah. There's another tornado growing. Get out of here. Oh my god, just try and come to me. I see you. Go the other way. Is it better there? Thank you. I'll tell you.
Extremely difficult to see. Do not wait until you hear the tornado. Take cover now.
I was somewhat deployed by that because it was somewhat semi. Yeah, come to me if you can. I'm on the other side. I'm on.
Man, we are intercepting to a tornado.
Ideal, I was just saying. I'm not sure. It's orange, careful. Hold up. This train's actually recycled. Base velocity. Oh, that's a wedge. You got yourself a wedge.
I'm inside of it.
Put more context into that. Or
I can't see 3 feet now.
it goes from the intersection to go from Trent, and then it goes to the intersection on 61 and 10. Cam. Cam. It's getting bigger.
Yeah, I know. I'm inside of it. There's softballs out there.
Holy, there's 3 warnings.
Oh, Tyson.
What?
We are sliding.
I mean, we're slide. Uh-oh. Guys. Guys. Guys.
I didn't see somebody get fucked up.
Send me that footage if you can.
Tornado.
barely in it. I'm getting 120s. Hi Dave, the tornado came in. Dave Wilson. Dom. Definitely don't get the Tamer's flying, okay? Tamer would be flying, okay? I'm getting back to the 140s. And your Tamer, I believe can do 150. About that, 160. The 100? A normal car does 100? It ain't Coachella, it's well, it's just so Cam, you know one of those trailer houses, you know the trailer for it, you know? Yeah, I found one upside down on the side of the road and there's a person on top, there's a person being crushed by it. Yeah, come down by me. Come by me, there's just foundation. Ma'am, you okay? Ma'am. Mary, you okay? Mary. 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 She's getting more, she's crushed. Oh, she... yeah, that's when hell's weakening. She's moving.
Why you got help, Cat?
Come on. Let's go. Okay.
Hey, this is the car to go 150.
140. Okay. You see something?
I said a little finger pop.
Oh, okay.
Wait, Tyson, yours or your YouTube thing?
What?
Is yours or your YouTube thing after turn that store off?
No, I edit everything together. Do you think I edited that entire thing and put it on YouTube? For 5 minutes? No, it takes... Oh, God! Cam?
You're like in the hole. I mean,
Oh, okay. Alright. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. I don't have rockets for you, so... I don't have rockets for you. Alright, so Suppet's growing in Pryor. Okay, so we can take the road by 33 into going to the cooked. You want something back there? You want something back there? You have to use the bathroom. Make it quick. Oh, real. Just go. Go.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Wandita County, north central.
There we go.
Almora.
What's he want?
60 miles per hour.
Big power flashes. Is
Hazleton. Almora.
that from my house?
Prior Lake.
Is that from
Trained weather spotters
over there?
no cloud with this storm. Best place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get into a workbench or other
That is where we stop. That is where we stop. reverse. I just look at me driving and see this. Where is everyone going? Everyone is going in this area, which I probably agree with. I should also probably be going on the road. Okay, so. Well, probably best if we put them in reverse. Oh, we had, okay. See if I can just still get something. Rockets would be so expensive. Alright, well, you can get out right now and you'll be fine. Probably best if you get back to the camp. Okay, good. Cam, your truck ain't here if I say you are. No, it's gone. Cam, it's in the feet. Hey, people, doing it. Oh boy, open bridges. Oh! Hang on. Get back in the car. How are you alive? Get back in the car. How is the car coming with you? That's the last thing you hear, these tornadoes are Oh my god. Oh my. These. Truck still lives on. Right for another intersection, ladies and gentlemen. Intersection. That'll probably be my last one for today. You might be asking why we couldn't. Why we couldn't short that end? I passed it. Why we couldn't short it? I will not be shooting tomorrow. I have something to do. I have something to do. Alright, we are. for a Ford diesel. You can't go up a 25-degree hill.
This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed. Not underground or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay.
And it's got a 21-minute clip, which you will personally edit for me, so... I thought that was dumb. I thought that was a dominator. Oh. There goes a house. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain speaking. We are taking off again. Oh my god. Stop! No! No! Good episode. Good episode. Wait. Good episode. Please tell me. Where am I? Where's the tornado? I will be back streaming in 30 minutes to do Wednesday game. So we're all that way, you know, we're making content, just go youtube.com, so that's the weapon, so I need. Oh my god. And I will go to Twitch.tv/some weapon, I'll see you on the next one. Some left out.